Sometimes when I talk to clients, I say we kind of take the robot out of the person so you can actually do the human things that an AI cannot. It's almost inconceivable to imagine business these days without AI in some form. Agentic AI is going to bring together many forms of AI that we've seen from the past, glue them together that kind of mimics what we've seen before with macros and robotics process automation, but done more intelligently, more robustly, more flexibly. End of 2022, early 2023 was the ChatGPT moment where everybody woke up to AI. I've been working on AI at Deloitte for nearly 9 years. So while others may be surprised by it, we have not been. We've been thinking ahead, preparing for it. One client told me, "Oh, David, yeah, that's that guy who was saying AI was so important to us years ago. Oh, now we realize." How can we deliver more traditional services in non-traditional ways? If a client wants to get an expert to come in who already has a good perspective, a wider view of things, and understands not just the technology, but also how it's to be applied, that's where we come in. We take with us the experience collectively that we've had over more than 175 years. We blend this with technology, and we have something that gives you much more relevant responses than you would with just a small context window. I think it's agentic AI. It's not replacing what came before it. It's augmenting what came before it. And what we can do with that is use that reasoning engine to make plans, to identify the right tools to execute the plan, and then to actually execute the plan, take all the pieces, put them together, and give it back to us humans to do something with it. That's exciting. The age of with. You will augment yourself with an AI. You'll do certain things faster. Sometimes when I talk to clients, I say we kind of take the robot out of the person so you can actually do the human things that an AI cannot. So it's not just about elevating everybody to manager. It's about us having that perspective in order to ask the right questions. And that's one thing that we put a lot of focus on to get the quality again. Embrace the technology. Don't be afraid of it. You have new means at your disposal. Think creatively, think big, don't be afraid to learn how to solve problems and think clearly, structured. That's valuable no matter what subject you decide to study.